Hey guys, welcome to our second installment of videos for the big trip. In this segment, we leave Withful, Virginia, tool on down to Interstate 81 and pick up Interstate 40 outside Knoxville and head across the Mississippi River. You know, I had this delusion, it was a delusion, that I would be able to find home-cooked meals at local-owned restaurants along an interstate highway. I don't know what crossed my mind, made me think I could do that. The truth to be told is it's chain restaurants. That's all there really is. You have to really, really dig hard to find some locally owned mom and pop restaurants, but typically they're off the interstate a pretty good distance and not very convenient. When you're trying to make time to get across the Mississippi River as fast as you can, you eat what you can find. So that's what we did, and I regret that. But here we go with installment number 2 of Asphalt Odyssey.
Well, it's 8:30, or close enough. Starting off the morning. Remember how to get out of here. This is a little tricky of a place. Comfortable night. Just a note, I don't know if it's indicative of all Days Inns, but it's a discount hotel, and breakfast was a little less than ideal. I prefer, the typical bacon and eggs or some sort of protein along with some carbs. They only had a lot of carbs and not a very big selection, but hey, I got a discount. Feel refreshed. Got a good night's sleep. I was a little more tired than I thought. So today I'm going to try to pace myself a little bit more. We're heading for target is Crookville, Tennessee. So looks like it's about a midway point between where we're at now and Memphis. Programmed to take a rest day in Memphis because I thought I might need it. That way, not as much of a rest day for basically a work day off the Spyder, not really a rest day. Should take a total of 3 days to get out there. And I could do laundry, edit video, and so forth. All right, we definitely don't want to be in this lane. We don't want to go to Bluefield, West Virginia. Been there. A little chilly this morning. It's about 68 degrees. According to the thermometer. We're coming up on a little airport named Rural Retreat. It's one of the few airports in Virginia I never ever operated out of. It's a little different. It parallels the interstate and has an uphill slope. It's off to the left. See it over there. I bet that'd be a trick if you're trying to take off going uphill or land going downhill. I'm not a fan of landing going downhill or taking off uphill, although I've had to do it. Not a fan. Not bad. Just here we go. Coming up on, and bang, state number 2. Time for a bathroom break. Buses, trucks.
Adjacent to the hotel was a nice little Mexican restaurant, so I decided to have some dinner. My host asked if I was traveling or from the area. When I explained what I was doing, he seemed to be very interested and decided to have a seat, and we had a conversation. He shared with me that he was an immigrant from Central America and was spending most of his money paying for lawyers to become a U.S. citizen. I know that immigration is a hot potato topic, but when you put a face on it and you meet somebody who is really working hard trying to live the American dream, it changes the flavor of the topic. By the end of a meal, I had made a new friend.
Oh, good morning. Leaving the Best Western here this morning. Just checked out. The young man gave me some tips about going out to Death Valley, Utah. That'd be a hoot. The start of morning number 3, and feeling good, well rested. Temperature's great, 71 degrees outside. Here's my take on Nashville as a city. Big, congested city. Been here once, traveling, but actually twice. Passed through it one time on our way to another destination on the car. It was late, there was no traffic, and flew in here in to Nashville. Drove through the daytime, and this appears to be rush hour traffic, about 8:30 their time. I'm on the bypass. You know, if I had time, I'd stop in Nashville and check out a couple of recording labels, and I am pretty sure I could probably get a contract with a major record label. They'd pay me handsomely never to sing anywhere. Well, it looks like we're in for our first bit of rain. According to the radar, there's some cells down to the south of our route, moving west, but the rain associated with the cells is moving in our direction, so we're going to encounter it. So I had to put the rain shell back on again. And if I time it right, I'm going to hit the next rest stop and maybe pull in there, have some coffee, and just watch the rain go by. We'll see. We're ahead of schedule. Oh, when I stopped and got gas a few minutes ago, I ran into another Spyder driver. And actually, he ran into me. I'm manning the pump, and I say, hi there. And I turn around to the guy in a motorcycle outfit. And he goes, I'm a Spyder. He goes, he looked behind me, and there's another Am Spyder. It's a 2013. And he is on his way back to California. He came to the East Coast to do the Ride to the Wall for Memorial Day, and wish I had a chance to chat more, but the gas station was busy. We were both blocking pumps, so didn't get a chance to. We'd like to get a photograph with him, but it's a very tight community. When you meet somebody, you just want to sit and chat spiders. Kind of cool.
By the end of the third day, we're crossing the Mississippi River, 957 miles from home, and the journey is just beginning.